Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download a PowerPoint from OneDrive. So first things first, you have to go to Microsoft OneDrive and then sign in if you have an account or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Once you are logged into your Microsoft OneDrive, you have to make sure also that you have your Microsoft OneDrive downloaded on your PC or computer. So I'm going to open my Microsoft OneDrive on my browser, and then I have to locate the file or the PowerPoint that I'm going to download. So I have to go to Files, locate the PowerPoint, and then after that, I have to tap on this three dots right here, and I should see the download option. So tap on download, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then you should go to your computer download folder and see if the PowerPoint is there. Now, if you can't, and then another method is to just open your OneDrive on your PC or OneDrive folder. And here, what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the file, like the PowerPoint, from your OneDrive folder to your PC. So I need to locate the folder and look for the PowerPoint. And then after that, I'm going to right click, copy, and then paste it to my desktop. So let's just say I want to download or copy this PowerPoint right here. I just have to click, right click, and then copy. Go to your desktop, and then you can paste this PowerPoint to your desktop or to your download folder anywhere on your PC. And basically, that's how easy it is to download a PowerPoint from OneDrive. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.